Welcome to today's tutorial, where you'll discover how to create a password in Windows 11 and secure your system. Let's dive right in. To begin, locate and click on the Start button in the Windows 11 taskbar. Next, select Settings from the menu that appears. Once you're in the Settings windows, click on Accounts from the list of options on the left side. Within the Accounts section, find and select Sign In options. Here, scroll down to the Password section and click on it. If you don't have a password set already, you'll see an option to add or create a password. Just click on it. Then, you'll be prompted to enter a new password. Type in your desired password. Re-enter the password in the Confirm Password field to confirm it. You can also add a password hint to help you remember your password, although it's optional. Once you've entered your new password and optional hint, click on Next. Then, click Finish to save your changes. And there you have it! You successfully created a password in Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.